Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, guys. Let's take a look in the gold market. In the second video today, so you can see the gold was right just in time to complete our target. So as you can see, target has been completed second to second, mostly to the moment where the breaking news appeared on the positive testing of the vaccine against COVID-19. So as a result, you probably saw what has happened on the financial market. So you can see rally across the board, some positive sentiment, demand for the more risky assets across the board. So stock market rising, oil is rising, euro currency is rising, dollar is dropping. So as a result, it was also made an impact on the gold. Gold turns to retracement. And currently, guys, we need just to take some pause and see what the reaction will be. The first reaction was strong, but now, as you can see, it's slowed down. And now we see what was that. It was emotional, some splash in the markets, or it will get the long-lasting action. So indeed, the situation will start to change. Because potentially, in general, there exists background for a deeper retracement just by the butterfly itself. Hitting of the butterfly target suggests the 30% pullback. It's normal. This is minimum target of the butterfly. So, and from the technical point of view, the retracement based on the butterfly, it will not mean that the bullish context has failed and nothing has been destroyed. Absolutely not. This is normal reaction just on the target. At the same time, if this was just an emotional splash in the market, reaction will be very short term. And in this case, gold could show some minor pullback and then reestablish upward action. That's really could happen. So currently, we just need to see what will happen within the 1-2 sessions. As our major target to the upside already has been reached, it's nothing to do for a bulls currently on the market. Anyway, the bulls have to wait for a pullback, whether it will be deeper or smaller, but definitely some reaction on the target should happen. For the bears, initial momentum was not bad, and maybe on the intraday chart, this will be sufficient power to push price slightly lower. So take a look what we have actually. Here is, by the way, the divergence could appear with the MACD. On the 4-hour time frame chart, here is what we have. Potentially, guys, this could be the head and shoulders if second scenario will prevail. I mean, long-lasting action due to this vaccine and in general changing of the situation on the financial markets. Potentially, it could be head and shoulders, but for that purpose, market has to reach the neckline, and it's really big distance to the neckline. Neckline is 60-70. It's really deep, and currently, market should meet the cross of the trend lines. And potentially, most interesting is the upper border of this triangle, because it could be retesting. If market will able to hold here, it could be upward reestablished, upward action. So it will mean that reaction was mostly emotional. Nothing has changed, and gold market is preparing for the further upward continuation. Because this is on the monthly chart, this is on the daily chart situation, on the weekly chart situation stands positive for the gold. Breaking of this cross of the trend lines, moving down, increase the chances on the drop first to the 1770 and second to the potential head and shoulders. That's approximately what we will keep an eye on in nearest time. So if you would like to take the short-term bearish position, that's your nearest target. It stands approximately around 1715 area. That's the level that you could consider as the first target, because here is relatively not bad probability that market could hit it, because it makes impact on nothing. So this is a relatively free space that market could fluctuate inside. So on the hourly chart, take a look what we have. Very strong cross on the MACD lines with the grabbers here, right at the bottom. It suggests that some pullback here should happen. So that's why don't be very fast for taking the short position. Wait for a pullback. Overall rally was significant. Yes, the collapse is also not bad, but previous action suggests that retracement should be deep. So I would suggest it's better to consider 1750. Besides, That will provide you a great chance to place very tight stops of 1765, stop above this area, or better, guys, just one moment, do not forget it. Take a look, the OP was not hit it precisely. So it was some few space here. That's why I better to place stop above the OP. I'm not sure that will definitely will happen. Chances are not really great, but who knows? It could be some kind of double top or something of that sort. It's also possible. Although currently, well, I do not see really big chances for that, but it's still possible. Anyway, it's better to consider some deeper level for position taking if you would like to take the short trade, scalp short. It will be a potential 1750 approximately with a 1715 target. Well, not bad actually for intraday charts. So that's our current view on the gold market. Let's see what will happen, because for us, his major task right now is to understand the importance of the current news that we've got yesterday, whether they are long-term or short-term, and that make clear what to expect on the market.